Medicare Bob here with 3 things you should know about Medicare Supplement Insurance. 1. You can shop and save today. That's right, the December 7th deadline does not apply to Medicare Supplement Insurance. You can shop and save all year. 2. Medicare makes this easy for you because all the Medicare plans are exactly the same. If you have a supplement with a lettered plan, the letter of the plan determines the coverage. It's actually in your Medicare A and B book. As you'll see right behind me, it clearly states that all Medicare supplement plans are standardized. So if you have a Medicare Supplement Plan F that you like, you can get the same exact Plan F for less money. If you have Medicare Supplement Plan G that you like, you can get that same exact Medicare Supplement Plan G for less money. Medicare makes this easy. It's right in your Medicare book. There's no reason to overpay. The third thing you should know is my office makes this easy for you. 1 phone call and you have access to all the Medicare supplement quotes. So there's no reason to overpay. You can shop and save all year. Medicare says all Medigap plans are exactly the same, and my office will give you access to every single Medicare supplement quote for you. Click the Get Quote button below and start saving today.